Hello YouTube. Today is a big day. Well, it's not the big day, but it's a big day. Today is packing day. I'm getting ready to leave to Miami tomorrow. I did a lot this morning. I already did the laundry, dry the laundry, sorted it and put it away. Once I do that, I can start organizing all that I'm going to need later. So, allow me to show you what I'm packing with me to take to Miami. It's quite a lot, but here it is. We have some socks for going out here. This pair of dress socks. We have some socks for exercising. More will be coming after another laundry load tonight. More, I have underpants here. More will be coming after laundry tonight. Shorts. I have another load of laundry, of course, so that's for running shorts. I have several cargo shorts pairs there. And I have a long pair of black pants in here. And I also have some various pants for going, shirts for going out in public. Wearing Bob's Burgers to the youth fair. Pinky and the Brain on another day, Miami. I have a Disney Fantasmic, Classic Mickey. I have Soul, plain black, plain red, plain light brown, plain black, and plain blue. I have a white dress shirt to wear under some tropical ones I have. A plain polo for when I meet my old speech and language therapist, Miss Wendy. I have 3 pairs of long sleeve shirts in case there is some coldness up there. Water shirt and swimsuit. You never know if you might need that. I have sweat rags for going out in places and for running and jogging. I'm taking these Crocs with me for when I walk around the house. Those are the shoes I'm wearing for when I go out. I might take loafers, might not. I folded this up and tied it tightly with the sash. It's my bathrobe. I'm going to wear that around the house. I'm also going to wear basically this and this, but I need to wash that tonight as well, so you won't be seeing that packed in the video. And I have not 1, but 2 Bob's Burgers caps. You got a mustard and ketchup bottle back there in both of them, which is quite hilarious. And we got some tropical shirts, a black and white checkered one, a blue tropical, and a green tropical. One of them, they're definitely for the brunch and or church service I'll be doing there. Yep, I'm going to be going to a mass service. Won't be featured in the video since I can't videotape in the church, but I'll see what I can film beforehand. I have a red tie as well. I'm going to wear that for when I go to Hell's Kitchen. I have the dress belt. Good. A dress belt. And here I have my white dress shirt, suit jacket, and inside is the black pants I'm going to need as well. And over there, as you know from a previous video, is my dress shoes. You never know when I'll need that. And here's a blue jacket I'm also taking with me for that morning. It's going to be cold in the morning, so I'll need that to go to the train station. That's basically all the clothes. Now I'm going to show you some other stuff I have. This is some bathroom stuff I'll be taking. I have deodorant, antibacterial wipes, lactic pills, anti-diarrheal pills, motion sickness pills, acid reducer, thigh rash powder, Q-tips, and there's a mini sewing kit, travel tissues, and a stain stick. I also got another stain stick I got for Christmas, and that's going to come with me as well. You never know how many stains I'm going to have in Miami, so let me just show that to you now. Sorry. I'm also, before I forget, I want to show you another cool Christmas gift Mom got me that's going to be worn for the first time. I've worn some fanny packs on Disney vacations, on Disney outings, but this one's a little different. Because if you see here, this is a different fanny pack. It's a leather fanny pack. full leather and thick. That will be worn for the first time. Hang on a minute. Alright, there we go. Sorry I had to put some stuff away. I had to reorganize the bottom a little. Now we have another tray of products. In here are some red sunglasses. Basically is what you would think. I have a portable charger. I have here a poncho. It's all folded up. This is not coming with me. It's a Disney autograph book. It's usually in the book bag, but I'm not going to take that with me. But I will be taking this, my book bag. I'm just going to collapse it and put it in one of the suitcases. This is my earbuds, other earbuds I'm taking, mini camera chips, and lip balm. Oh, don't need these. Anti-fart pills, Beano. Camera and cover in case it starts to rain when I'm filming. Additional charger cord. And these are all my sleeping pills. Plastic Mabalufa, plastic bags from previous video, as well as this I'm packing tonight after I shave my face. I have a carrier cases for toiletries, new toothbrush holder, sunscreen. This is for my older sister. These are all for my younger sister, full of candy. All the CDs, you know. Digital camera in case I end up using it instead of my phone, which may not be the case, but you never know. This is a men's nail care kit. Floss, brush, travel toothpaste, tripod, another charger. Now, I have portable chargers, 1, 2, 3 of these. Headache pills. Sanitizer. Other rash powder. Mini first aid kit. And finally, umbrella. And another charger cord for when I need to charge my phone out there. Before I put those away, I just need to add more batteries to this, which you get to see me do. Oh, and on the way out, that's my laptop bag, duffel bag, and garment bag. I'm also taking the red suitcase and the gray one. We do need to fill these up with more, so I'm going to do that now. I'm going to be gone for several days. I'm going to need several of these. So just watch and learn. These are all fabric. Because of my autism, I don't usually like to wear regular latex bandages, so it has to be fabric ones. Luckily, these are all fabric. So, flexible fabric by Care Pack. Eight. Okay. That's enough for now. In the morning, I'm going to be packing up the following. This, or just the bottle of that maybe. My toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss. As you can see, I've lost a lot of weight. I'm very impressed with my progress. I used to be like much bigger. Let me try to imitate it by scooching out, pushing it out. I used to be like that, but now I'm like this. Really outdid myself, and I'm proud of it. I also need a pen to keep track of my driver time because I use a service to drive me places sometimes if I request it ahead of time. I need to keep track of the time. So I'm gonna look for a pen. Huh. That's my key card, that's my wallet. And I'm taking this house key with me. Florida. Really true, I love Florida. And I have a luggage lock. And I have another one I'm going to bring out in just a bit. That's Karina's gift, my sister's gift. That's portable DVD player and the batteries from previous videos. So yeah, that's it basically. I have more stuff coming up. Now if you look out here, I have my medicine transport container. I have to whisper, my mom is working. Plastic straw, paper bag, utensils, plastic spoon. I'm bringing a packed breakfast, so yeah. And those are my running shoes, also coming with me. Later on I have other laundry to do when I'm done with jogging for the day, so yeah, I really hope you saw what I have and are looking forward to this as much as I am. It's a big deal for me, and this trip has been planned for the longest time. So that concludes this packing video. I want you to please do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe, hit the bell to get notified of my latest videos, and I'll see you when the vacation begins. Oh, sorry, I actually forgot to mention one last part, so this is another second part to the video. Unexpected, but I remembered to install it, add it before I combined this one and the previous part you saw, which explains why there's a bit of a skip after me saying goodbye, so sorry about that. This will be the true goodbye when this is over. Two more things I want to show you. First off, the folder. You know from one of the previous videos, when I think it was either when I announced to Miami or when I had several days left. This is all the tickets and attractions. And over here is a folder of various documents throughout the need, but this is the one I need the most, my driver timesheet. I have to write down when I leave the place and when I get to the station, so yeah, that's important. Let me just pack that up now, actually. You won't be seeing me pack up everything because that's going to be too long of a video and I don't want to really show all that, so I wouldn't even know how to set the camera up, but let me show you. Me packing up the important stuff. Better not forget all these. This is actually a reunion tower pen from my recent Dallas trip in 2020. Ooh, there's another one. I'll give her the Rainforest Cafe one back. Almost forgot to do that one. Give that one back. So, yeah. There we go. One of the bags packed before the trip, and you got to see it. Let me just put this back down for a sec. I'm gonna make this a 15-minute video in total when all combined. Okay. Basically that's it. I'm gonna give this back to Mom when I'm done filming, so. Oh, and I'm also taking Stitch with me. He's a friend. Alright everyone, so that really truly is the end of the video this time. This is not a false alarm, it's the true end. Please make sure to like and subscribe, comment down below, hit the bell to get notified of my latest videos, share with all your friends, make sure I get subscribed. Tomorrow is the big day and it's finally going to happen and I'm very happy. So I'll see you on the next video, which will be in Miami when the time is over.